Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered why your hair looks so thin and lifeless? The frustration is real, isn't it? Many people face the challenge of having thin hair, and this can be the result of several factors such as genetics, stress, and even an inadequate diet. But don't worry. If you think that the only solution is chemical products or expensive treatments, you're very wrong. There are natural, simple, and effective methods that can transform the thickness and volume of your hair, giving it the vitality it so deserves. Imagine applying tips that are as old as the wisdom of Ayurvedic medicine and that, believe it or not, can work wonders. Taking care of your hair doesn't have to be a difficult task or a mystery. With a few simple changes to your routine, such as using natural ingredients and practices that improve circulation, you can revitalize your hair in a healthy and lasting way. And best of all, you don't have to spend a fortune to do it. In this guide, we'll explore 3 powerful methods that range from healthy eating habits to massage and yoga, all to help you achieve the hair of your dreams. Ready to find out how these methods can be the solution you've been looking for? Let's get started. Thin, fine hair can be a constant frustration for many people. The lack of volume, the fragile appearance, and the feeling that the hair doesn't grow can affect self-esteem. Although some people are born with thin hair due to genetic factors, others may face this problem due to health issues or even damage caused by excessive styling. Who has never used a blow dryer, straightener, or chemical products and over time, seen their hair lose strength? The interesting thing is that, despite the causes, there are simple and natural ways to deal with it. We know that thin hair often seems lifeless, but with a good care routine, it can gain more volume and strength. This is where a common practice comes in: scalp massage. It seems simple, almost banal, but it is essential to stimulate blood flow in the region. The more blood circulating through your scalp, the more nutrients reach your follicles, promoting healthy growth. Try massaging coconut oil into your hair before bed or when you wake up. Not only does this nourish your hair, it also helps to relax your mind, which is a bonus. Uma maneira fácil de integrar aloe vera na sua rotina de cuidados com o cabelo é usar o gel puro extraído diretamente de planta. Você pode aplicar o gel fresco no couro cabeludo, massageando suavemente com os dedos. Essa massagem estimula o fluxo sanguíneo, enquanto as enzimas presentes na aloe vera fazem su trabalho de reparar e fortalecer os folículos capilares. Deixe o gel agir por cerca de 30 minutos antes de lavar com água morna e shampoo. O processo é simples, mas com grande impacto para quem deseja melhorar a saúde dos cabelos. Além disso, a aloe vera é extremamente versatile e pode ser combinada com outros ingredientes para potencializar seus efeitos. Misture o gel com óleos naturais, como óleo de coco ou azeite de oliva. Cria uma máscara ainda mais poderosa. Essa mistura proporciona uma hidratação profunda e ainda ajuda a combater o frizz e aumentar o brilho. Aplicar semanalmente pode transformar cabelos frágeis em afos mais volumosos e fortes. E como é totalmente natural, pode ser usada por qualquer tipo de cabelo, sem preocupações com produtos químicos agressivos. A amla, também conhecida como groselha indiana, é verdadeiro superalimento quando se trata de saúde capilar. Rica em vitamina C, ela é crucial para a produção de colageno, o que fortalece os fis e dá estrutura ao cabelo. Para quem tem cabelo ralo ou fino, a amla pode ser aliado importante, ajudando a devolver a densidade e o volume perdidos. Usar amla msua rotina de cuidados como cabelo neo so beneficia os fos. Mas também melhora a saúde geral do couro cabeludo, criando ambiente propicio para o crescimento. Dos métodos mais eficazes de usar a amla é fazer uma mascara capilar simples. Basta misturar duas colheres de sopa de pó de amla com 3 colheres de água ou óleo de coco, criando uma pasta que pode ser aplicada diretamente no cabelo e couro cabeludo. Deixar a mistura agir por cerca de uma hora permite que os nutrientes penetrem profundamente nos fos e nos folículos capilares. Após o tempo de requeio, lave o cabelo como de costume. Esse tratamento pode ser repetido semanalmente, ajudando a combater a queda de cabelo e a promover o crescimento saudável. Além de aplicação tópica, a amla também pode ser consumida para benefícios internos, pois sua riqueza em antioxidantes e vitamina C atua no fortalecimento do corpo como todo, o que reflete diretamente na saúde dos cabelos. Adicionar suco de amla à dieta ou consumir o fruto seco pode ajudar a melhorar a qualidade do cabelo a longo prazo. Amla se destaca não apenas pelo que faz pelos fos, mas também por promover equilíbrio no organismo, essential para quem busca resultados duradouros. An easy way to incorporate aloe vera into your hair care routine is to use the pure gel extracted directly from the plant. You can apply the fresh gel to your scalp, massaging it in gently with your fingers. This massage stimulates blood flow, while the enzymes in aloe vera do their work to repair and strengthen hair follicles. Leave the gel on for about 30 minutes before washing it out with warm water and shampoo. The process is simple, but it has a big impact on those who want to improve the health of their hair. In addition, aloe vera is extremely versatile and can be combined with other ingredients to enhance its effects. Mixing the gel with natural oils such as coconut oil or olive oil creates an even more powerful mask. This mixture provides deep hydration and also helps to combat frizz and increase shine. Applying it weekly can transform fragile hair into thicker, stronger strands. And since it is all natural, it can be used on any hair type without worrying about harsh chemicals. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is a true superfood when it comes to hair health. Rich in vitamin C, it is crucial for the production of collagen, which strengthens the strands and gives structure to the hair. For those with thin or fine hair, amla can be an important ally, helping to restore lost density and volume. Using amla in your hair care routine not only benefits the strands, but also improves the overall health of the scalp, creating an environment conducive to growth. One of the most effective methods of using amla is to make a simple hair mask. Simply mix 2 tablespoons of amla powder with 3 tablespoons of water or coconut oil, creating a paste that can be applied directly to the hair and scalp. Leaving the mixture to sit for about an hour allows the nutrients to penetrate deep into the strands and hair follicles. After the time has elapsed, wash your hair as usual. This treatment can be repeated weekly, helping to combat hair loss and promote healthy growth. In addition to topical application, amla can also be consumed for internal benefits, as its richness in antioxidants and vitamin C acts to strengthen the body as a whole, which directly reflects on hair health. Adding amla juice to your diet or consuming the dried fruit can help improve hair quality in the long term. Amla stands out not only for what it does for hair, but also for promoting balance in the body, essential for those seeking long-lasting results. Henna is much more than just a natural dye. It is also a powerful conditioner that can transform fine and thin hair. Regular use helps to add shine and smoothness to strands, while reducing frizz, making hair healthier and fuller. For those struggling with dullness and brittleness, henna offers an effective solution, restoring lost vitality without the damaging effects of chemicals found in conventional dyes. Making a henna mask is simple and can be done at home. Mix 1 cup of henna powder with 1½ cups of warm water and add a tablespoon of lemon juice to help intensify the color and seal the hair cuticles. Apply the mixture to your scalp and strands, making sure to cover all of your hair. Leave it on for 2 to 4 hours and then rinse thoroughly with water. This treatment not only adds a touch of natural color, but also strengthens the hair structure, making it thicker and fuller. In addition to its aesthetic benefits, henna has another important characteristic. It protects the hair from external aggressions such as the heat of the sun and pollution. This is especially useful for those with fine hair, which tends to be more vulnerable to these factors. Regular application of henna can create a protective layer on the hair strands, ensuring that they are less susceptible to damage, while becoming healthier over time. Oil massage is an ancient but extremely effective technique for those who want to combat the problem of thin hair. By stimulating blood circulation in the scalp, the massage helps to nourish the hair follicles, promoting the growth of new hair strands and strengthening the existing ones. Using natural oils such as coconut, olive or castor oil, which are rich in nutrients, amplifies the benefits of this practice. For those seeking long-lasting results, making this massage a regular ritual is an excellent choice. Applying the oil correctly is essential to obtain maximum benefits. A practical example is to slightly warm the coconut oil and massage it into the scalp with your fingertips, in circular movements. Not only does this relax your mind, it also opens your pores and allows the oil to penetrate deeply, nourishing your hair from root to tip. You can do this massage 2 to 3 times a week, and leave the oil in your hair overnight or for a few hours before washing it. It's a simple process, but it's extremely effective for those looking for stronger, fuller hair. In addition, massaging your scalp with oils helps relieve stress, which is often one of the causes of hair loss. Regular practice can be compared to a self-care session, something that not only benefits your hair, but your overall well-being. By combining the massage with a good diet and Ayurvedic care, the results can be amazing. Stronger, thicker, and fuller-looking hair. Yoga is more than just a physical activity. It's a way to align your body and mind, and it can have a surprisingly positive impact on your hair health. Certain yoga poses such as Balasana, Uttanasana, and Sarvangasana are particularly effective at increasing blood flow to the scalp. This means that by practicing yoga regularly, you're not only improving your flexibility and reducing stress, but you're also creating an environment that's conducive to growing thicker, healthier hair. For example, Balasana or Child's Pose is a great way to relax your mind and relieve tension in your neck and scalp. By focusing on your breathing and concentrating on this pose, you'll not only feel calmer, but you'll also increase blood flow to your hair follicles. Practicing Uttanasana or forward bend helps to lengthen your spine and also improve circulation, while Sarvangasana or shoulder stand is known to benefit thyroid health, which plays a crucial role in regulating hair growth. Incorporating these poses into your daily routine doesn't have to be a chore. You can start with just 5 minutes of daily practice and gradually increase the time as you feel more comfortable. By taking time out of your day to connect with your body and mind, you're not only promoting physical well-being, but also contributing to the health and beauty of your hair. Over time, regular practice can result in fuller, more vibrant hair, as well as a more balanced and happy state of mind. Diet plays a key role in hair health, especially for those who struggle with thin or fine hair. A balanced diet rich in protein, iron, vitamin C, omega-3 fatty acids and B vitamins is essential for strengthening your hair and stimulating growth. Including foods like leafy greens, citrus fruits, chia seeds, flax seeds and lentils can do wonders for your hair health. The key is to ensure that your body receives the nutrients it needs to nourish each strand of hair from root to tip. To give you a more concrete idea, you can start your day with a nutritious breakfast, including eggs, an excellent source of protein, and fruits like oranges and strawberries, which are rich in vitamin C throughout the day. Add salads with spinach or kale, which are leafy greens packed with iron and antioxidants. Don't forget to include chia seeds in yogurt or smoothies, as they are an incredible source of omega-3 fatty acids, which promote hair health. Creating colorful and varied meals will not only make your diet more enjoyable, but will also ensure that you are doing the best for your strands. Lastly, it is important to remember that hydration is equally vital. Drinking plenty of water helps to keep your hair hydrated and healthy. A good rule of thumb is to aim to consume at least 2 liters of water per day. This, combined with a balanced diet, creates a positive cycle that not only benefits your hair, but also improves the overall health of your body. By committing to a nutritious diet, you will be investing in the beauty and strength of your hair in the long run. If you are interested in all this and want to learn more about how to optimize your health, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. After all, knowledge is power and your body deserves the best.